What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the Ghouls Gaming and Tech channel. I've been seeing these cases all over the internet. I've been seeing it on my Instagram feed. I scroll. I don't know if they spy on me on Amazon and see what I like, see what I'm kind of scrolling through, browsing through, but I keep seeing these cases with these graphic designs on it. It's kind of like a Nike Jordan collab kind of thing, but I guess not officially. I was like, you know what? These look kind of cool. Let me check some of those out. But before we get into that, welcome back, you guys. If you're new to the channel and you're gonna like any of this content, make sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you're new or returning, make sure to hit that like button. It's definitely appreciated. We got Spidey in the building as always, keeping me on time with the time. We got to get some of those in. And without any further ado, let's discuss these cases right here. So I'm putting all three of these in one video because pretty much the same. So when I ordered them, these two came together, and then this one came in a different order. They're pretty much the same as far as the brand is concerned. This one said generic when I looked it up on Amazon. Don't know what that means, but when I ordered these two, the company was, let me see if I'm gonna say this right, Heluis. But anyways, these are liquid silicone cases for the iPhone 14 Pro Max. You can find these on Amazon.com. These right here were $17.99. It comes with two, and this one was $9.99 on Amazon. Just came with that one, but it has another option to get a silver one of these. I like the black, so I got the black. And this one is different from this one for a couple of reasons, but we'll get into that. The link for those will be in the description. So let's first get into the buttons and cutouts. So for this one right here, which will pretty much be the same for this one because it's the same case, you have your power/Siri button cutout right here. You have your cutout for like a lanyard you want to put in there. You have a cutout for your power as far as charging and your speaker grill. And then on this side, you have it cut out for your volume up and down controls and your volume switch. On the top, you don't have anything, and on the back you have cutouts for your camera, and it's fully protected. Same thing for this one, pretty much the same, but you have a cutout for your power switch or power button or Siri, your charging port, speaker grills, volume up and down controls, and your volume switch. Nothing on top, and you have that webbed cutout for your camera, and it's fully protected. And also these are a little bit raised, so this is flush as you can see. And this one has like a little bumper over each camera lens itself. And the cutout as a whole is a little bit different. Now let's talk about the feel of these bad boys. The feel. It's like a little matte design. So it's supposed to be no fingerprints. You will get some smears, but you have this matte design which feels pretty nice. And inside, at least on these, you have like a little suede material. Inside of here is just a little plastic. Nothing extra, and this one again has that little suede material, but overall they feel nice. They feel pretty good on the phone. Let me get my phone over here. So I have my phone right here. So we're gonna slap each one of these on. So the fit and the protection is pretty good. Like, I don't feel like my phone is going to slip out of my hands when I put this case on. It feels pretty protected. One thing that is a little bit odd is like if you're swiping or scrolling on your screen, the edges, they kind of are a little sharp. They're not rounded as some other edges are, if that makes any sense to you guys. So you'll feel like a lip on here. But with all that being said, the case will stay on the phone. If it drops, you're good. You have a pretty much good raised edges on here. So if it slams, you're good to go. So if I take this off really quick, you can see how tough that was for me to take this off. So the case itself, which I didn't think it would be, but it's pretty snug on the phone. And as far as the camera cutouts, they all line up perfectly. Haven't had any issues with that. So we're gonna try this other one out really quick. But I was very surprised on how snug these cases fit on this phone. And same thing with this one. These edges are a little bit more rounded. It doesn't feel as sharp when I'm kind of touching the edge of it. So this one in particular, it's a little bit more rounded, and as you can see, you got this little plushy part right here. It's like a little puffer jacket. There's nothing inside of it, as you can see. You saw from the inside of the case. It's just a little cutout, which is pretty cool. I like the design on these. Let's talk about the design real quick. You got some sneakers right here. If you don't know, if you're not a sneakerhead, these are Jordan 1s. They got a nice little design on here with the collab. And then this little Nike check sign. I don't know why it's broken, but it looks pretty cool to me. I was reading some of this stuff on here. It makes no sense if this is actually true or not. I have no idea what AJ means or what JK means. This one has AJ as well. I don't know what those mean. Says Off-White. I'm assuming that's some kind of brand or something like that. Says trademark, but obviously these cases aren't Off-White. And then reading this sentence, it makes no sense. In the United States, this program combines puppets. I don't know what that means. I hope that ain't no freaking voodoo and no secret society type of stuff, because I've been going in a rabbit hole with that lately. I've been getting lost in TikTok. But anyways, the design itself, it looks cool. I like the, just alone, on the pictures alone, as far as the Nike check and the Jordan 1s, that's pretty much what made me buy these cases. Now, as far as MagSafe is concerned, it will charge wirelessly, but MagSafe, it's not a MagSafe case. It will sit on there a little bit, but it's gonna shake right off because it's not a MagSafe, case really. And obviously with these puffer things on here, this is not really gonna stick on here, but I'll demonstrate it you guys for poops and giggles, just so you can see it's not gonna stick on here. But again, like I said, wireless charging does work, even with this little puffer one. I was shocked on that. But you see, it's not gonna, it holds a little bit. It holds a little bit, but it's not designed for that. Now, as far as reliability for this, I would say it's pretty good. That kind of falls into play with the whole protection and drop resistance. But as far as the reliability and like durability of this case, I don't really see you having many issues with this. It's a plastic, it's a liquid silicone like they described. So you're not really gonna have any like pieces of the case chipping off or anything like that, peeling off. As you can see with my Apple case right here, I have a little chip or a little fingerprint like, issue right there. And then it's starting to peel off because it's leather. But it is what it is when it comes to that. But you won't have any issues with that with this because it's silicone. I say all that to say, these cases are pretty cool. If you scrolling through Instagram, TikTok, whatever it is, and you see these cases come by, and you want to know, how are these cases in real world application? I'm here to tell you, the design of it is nice. It looks great. The price makes sense. And it just looks cool. It's something different for your case. How many people you see walking around with a case like this? Not many, if any. But I'm gonna keep this video short and sweet. Spidey already let me know. We cutting down on time. Thank you guys for tuning in. I appreciate it. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.